I will dance two different ways. Two different, not only me. Can you come, please? Two different ways to two different songs. And you tell me which one is best in each way, in each song. One.
Estamos não inventou palavras, traz para mim esse momento. Anjos aplaudem nosso amor, nossa felicidade, nossa alegria. Até Deus sorrir para nós, nuvens formam a nossa imagem no céu, no céu.
Two.
Coração explode pela boca e a nossa voz fica rouca. De tanto gritar te amo, de tanto gritar te amo. E o nosso amor é lindo, e o nosso amor é lindo.
I'm sorry.
E nos faz feliz.
Which one is better, one or two? How many say one? Hand up. How many say two? And wait. Before you answer, it's not about what kind of style you dance, what kind of style you prefer. What fits best with the music? One hand up. Two hand up. Okay. Next song. Come again, please. One.
Dama assim já não tenho, até mulher deixa maluca. Não sei se caiu do céu, mas nunca vi coisa tão dura. Quem me dera essa puridade.
Two.
Outra vez só poder tocar. Se lhe perguntam por que como me fazer, chama sem dar. Ela já me deixou maluco, também maluca.
One hand up. Two hand up. Okay. So, you have a question? No. You like the one, but that's maybe more about the style that you like to dance. Or? Maybe? Okay. She likes soft dancing. Okay, so for me, one is better with one and two is better with two. But why? Because I did a slow where there was slow in the music. I did syncopations where there were syncopations. Sometimes. So why is one better with one and two better with two? The energy, yeah. I don't know what to call it. I call it the dominant feeling of the song. So in the first song, it's like this. It's soft and fluid, yeah? Very soft and fluid. So it makes sense to dance very soft and fluid. The second, it's very sharp. So it makes sense to do these kind of moves. Yes? You agree? Yes. Good. Okay. So this is what I call the dominant feeling. If you don't understand shit about dominant feeling, look around. Because everyone is like this. And you run around like crazy. Look around and say, maybe I can try that. Yeah? It happens. It's even some teachers go full speed. And I understand. Sometimes it's like you drive on a road 30 kilometers per hour, but you have your Ferrari and you want to push it a little bit. You want to test drive this car. I understand that you want to do not only stand in place and do super soft. You want to try a little bit what you can do. So I can understand. But if you always drive 150, girls will be like, okay, I don't feel safe with this guy. He doesn't feel good. He doesn't listen to the music, etc. So try to listen at least most of the time. So for example, if you have Criolla, it's not that good, right? She likes this. It's a different feeling. Okay. Can I get 4 volunteers? If I don't get 4 volunteers, I will pick 4 volunteers. 1, 2 guys, 1 girl, and 1 more girl. Perfect. Okay? So, this is gonna be, come here, please. Here. 4 counts, 1 step. 2 counts, 1 step. You go on the beat, and you will do syncopations. Yes? So, now, this is not about their dance skills or anything. This is about how well their tempo fits the music. Okay? So we start. So here. 1, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7. On the beat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Syncopation. Pa, 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 pa. Yes? Is it good? Is it good? I think this is good, yeah? Now, we have a break, okay? So, double shot espresso. She's a little bit sleepy. She is like she didn't wake up since yesterday. So she's dancing very slowly to this music, yeah? Also a little bit sleepy. 1 shot espresso. This is good. He woke up, he feels good. He's on the beat, yeah?
It's easier.
Yeah. Syncopation's also good with this song, yeah? But we had the break where you could slow down also. So when the break came, it was good, okay? Next song. We try. 1, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7. On the beat. Syncopations. Slow. Slow. 1, 3, 5. Yeah. She still needs a bit of coffee, yeah? At least 1 shot espresso. Now, it's getting a little bit better. We have a strong bass, so not all the time, but you can use it. Slow. Slow. Strong beat. I like. This is good, the strong beat. Syncopations, oh my God. Too much drugs. Yeah? It's a little bit stressed. Too much uppers. In the shuffle step, of course, you do the syncopation, but if you run around to this song all the time, it's a bit stressed, right? Yeah? Okay, we try one more. Or two more. Let's see. Yes. 1, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7. On the beat. Syncopations. One, 5. Okay. Finally, it's a bit better, yeah? Now, the music finally fits her mood. So this song, finally we get to the feeling where you can do 4 counts in 1 step, or 1 step in 4 counts. Also good, 2 counts, 1 step. On the beat, it works, yeah? Slow. Slow. Step, step, slow. Slow. She's a bit stressed still here.
Not so easy, that.
Still, now she's not very good here. The last 2 songs, it's a little bit too much. Too stressed. Can I get one more volunteer? Oh, thank you. So perfect. I like volunteers. Okay, so congratulations. 8 counts, 1 step. Yeah. So this is not from the Kizomba umbrella, this song, but I will show you something. One, 1, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7 on the beat. 5, 6, 7 syncopations. Pam, 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 pam. Fly. So here. This I like. Okay, first. Is it possible to use it? In that part, I think it's possible. Yeah? I think this is possible too. I think it's possible. I think it's definitely possible. This is the big question. Yes? Do you think, how many say it's possible to use the syncopations? Yes? Hand up. No hand up. Okay. How many do not have an opinion? No, okay. So, I'm going to do like this.
Where is that from then?
Huh?
What you said is not Kizomba.
No, okay. Maybe girls recognize the song more than guys. I don't know if it's the theme song or what it is, but it's a song called Bliss from Sex in the City.
But what dance could you do to it?
No, for me, in my opinion, you can dance Kizomba to it if you want.
Yeah.
For me, it's perfectly fine. But it's not a dance music. It's just a song that is made for the thing. But the syncopations. For me, it's possible to do the syncopations, but how? Because if I do this, bam, 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 it's too sharp, because the feeling of the song is very soft and fluid, right?
Yes.
Yeah? So, if I do it like this, so I do it, wait, and this is 2. This is too sharp because you miss the dominant, you don't catch the dominant feeling of the song. But if you move in a soft and fluid way with your upper body and you step with your feet with the syncopation, bam, 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 bam. So my body is moving in a fluid way. I can catch the dominant feeling of the song, but I do the syncopations with my feet. Then I think it can work. I like music where you can use everything. I get bored when very fast if it's music where it's only on the beat and syncopations. When there's no melody in the song, it's just beat all the time. I get bored very fast. I get bored a little bit slower when it's like on the beat and slow and super slow. Then I can dance for longer, but it's like I get sleepy after half an hour. I like when I can play around with everything in the music. Yes?
Yes.
Applause to you. Thank you very much.